Hello, welcome to this series of tutorials whereby we'll be looking at aorta extraction of micro CT scans using the Analyze Direct 14 software. This will be a series of videos separated into the different steps, mainly by looking at loading your data, pre-processing of your data, going into the segmentation, going into the different ways of stitching your different data files together, and then finally by analyzing your data. This series will be In this video, we'll be looking at loading in your data, and we'll be starting that by loading in the Analyze Direct 14 software, whereby you'll be greeted by this panel. On the right-hand side, you will have your workspace divided into different tabs, different workspaces. It is an easy way to categorize your files and to categorize your files based on different projects. And hereby we'll be making a new tab for the tutorial. Here on the right side, we'll be looking at different modules that you can use to analyze your different datasets. You have the input-output module that will be used for loading and exporting your data. The display module will be used for looking at 2D/3D image display. We have processing module, which provides image filtering and enhancement functions. The transformation module will be used to allow spatial and intensity transformations, mathematical processing, and data reorientation. The segment module provides semi-automatic and manual tools for precisely defining regions. The registering module allows you to fuse different images together between different dimensions. And then finally, the measure module allows you to analyze your images. We'll be pressing on the input-output module, whereby you'll be getting this frame. And then here in the left-hand corner, you will have the different options by going through your different files. We'll be looking at cohort 2, and then for the micro CT scans that we'll be using, we'll have 3 different options that we'll be looking at, including the 36mm field of view, as well as 2 72mm field of view. The micro CT scans that I'll be using are mainly of the thoracic and the abdominal region of the mouse, since that will be the most relevant regions for aorta extraction. And for this tutorial specifically, I'll be using the 72mm top view. And hereby you'll be wanting to use the VOX file. You'll be greeted with this box, and since there's no specified input, has no maximum or minimum information for the intensities associated with it, we'll be pressing on calculating it, and then Analyze Direct will be automatically calculating it. You'll be greeted by this image, and then pressing here in the left-hand corner, you can click on the Processing tab, and we'll be sub-regioning our image into the only region of the relevant region of interest. Like this. And then you have the ability to click here, Actual Slice, clicking upon it, and by scrolling either up or down, you'll be able to move through all the slices with various ease. You'll also be able to do it by scrolling your mouse wheel, and we will like to find the border upon which there's no image anymore, which will be slice 395. So here in this table, we'll be changing this number to 394, since that'll be the last slice in which there's an image. Then we'll be doing the same thing for the bottom border, and that is around slice 120. So we'll be changing this number to 120, revealing that in total we have 275 relevant slices. Afterwards, we can click on Load Volume, and then this data file will be loaded into your workspace. Press on Exit, and then you'll be able to use this image or this file with the different modules. Thank you for watching. This will be the first video in the series.